Welcome to the 2023 International Conference on Mathematical Physics and Computational Simulation. My name is Ivo Ganchev and I'm a lecturer at Queen Mary University of London. It's a great pleasure to see so many scholars and professionals from different backgrounds come together to present and discuss their latest research findings at this event today. The conference seeks to produce contributions to several fields of study. They broadly fit into the categories of mathematical physics, computational simulation, applied physics, mathematics, and applied mathematics. Of course, contributions to other relevant fields and subfields are also welcome as well. While at first glance, the fields that I listed might sound very theoretical, the implications of the findings that the research community makes in these areas are not theoretical at all. In fact, they feed into fast-developing fields such as robotics and machine learning, which are changing the world as we know it. The conference today will take place at multiple venues internationally, with Oxford in the UK as a primary location and workshops taking place in multiple cities in the UK as well as universities in 4 other countries internationally. I'm very pleased to share with you that we have an outstanding list of keynote speakers, all of whom are leading scholars in their respective fields, and I'd like to take a moment and introduce them to you briefly. First, we are delighted to have with us Dr. Marwan Omar, who is an associate professor at the Faculty of Information Technology and Management at the Illinois Institute of Technology. He has established a respectable research record in AI and cybersecurity, exemplified in the dozens of papers and published and book chapters that he has published. They have gained recognition among researchers and practitioners with hundreds of citations so far. Dr. Omar has recently also published 2 books with Springer on machine learning and cybersecurity, and has published research with the IEEE Conference on Semantic Computing. Today, the topic of his talk will be Defend, a novel technique based on pattern exploiting training for detecting software vulnerabilities using language models. What an exciting topic. We're also very happy to welcome Dr. Achinkya Haldar, who is Professor Emeritus at the College of Engineering at University of Arizona. Dr. Haldar has taught at several institutions before that, and he has published over 640 technical articles, including 12 books and 38 book chapters. Dr. Haldar is a distinguished member of ASCE and a fellow of SEI. He also received a Lifetime Achievement Award from the Society for Reliability and Safety and an honorable diploma from the Czech Society for Mechanics. He has also received the highest teaching award from the University of Arizona previously, and has been inducted into the Teaching Award, the Teaching Excellence Award wall at Georgia Tech. It's also a pleasure to have with us Dr. Roman Bauer, a lecturer at the Department of Computer Science at the University of Surrey. He completed his doctoral studies at the Institute of Neuroinformatics at the famous ETH Zurich and at the University of Zurich as well, working on simulations of cortical development. He has served as a postdoctoral research associate and as an independent principal investigator at Newcastle University as well. In June of 2018, he took up an EPSRC UKRI Innovation Fellowship at the School of Computing, and a joint affiliation with the Institute of Genetic Medicine, both at Newcastle University as well. In August 2020, he became a lecturer at the Department of Computer Science at the University of Surrey. The title of Dr. Bauer's speech today is Agent-Based Modeling and Simulation for Biological and Medical Research. We'll also welcome today with us Dr. Stavros Shilis, who is a reader in cybersecurity at the University of Portsmouth in the UK and a visiting professor at the University of Peloponnese, Greece, and at Bharhat University in India. He has authored more than 100 publications in academic journals and conferences. He has chaired many workshops for the IEE conferences and also for the IEE service and NetSoft events. He has co-edited 2 cybersecurity books published by CRC Press in 2021, and he is also a principal investigator leading the University of Portsmouth research team with European and local grants support. One more outstanding speaker we'll be looking forward to hearing from is Dr. Jie Zhang, a senior lecturer at the Department of Computer Science at the University of Bath. Dr. Zhang's research it situates the interface between computer science and economics. He has publications in leading journals and peer-reviewed conferences spanning the fields of artificial intelligence, theoretical computer science, and mathematics. As the sole investigator, Dr. Zhang has been awarded research grants by the Leverhulme Trust and by the EPSRC as well. Today, Dr. Zhang will speak about revenue maximization for short video advertising. One more excellent speaker is Dr. Yazid Ghadi, Associate Professor at the School of Engineering and Technology at Al Ain University. Dr. Ghadi has an impressive publication record with over 100 peer-reviewed journal and conference papers credited to him. His research contributions extend beyond publications as well, as he holds 3 pending patents, showcasing his innovative thinking and commitment to advancing the development of novel technology. Dr. Ghadi will speak on the topic of enhancing human-machine interaction through multimodal interfaces, a user-centric approach. It's also a pleasure to welcome Dr. Bhupesh Kumar, who is currently working as a postdoctoral researcher at the School of Physics and Astronomy at the University of St. Andrews in Scotland, the United Kingdom. During his previous postdoctoral position, he played a leading role in the development of a complex experiment set up to study active control of 1D disorder gain media, random laser, impact of non-hermeticity and nonlinear interactions on disorder-induced localized models, 1D and 2D solid-state turnable random laser. It's also great to welcome Dr. Abdullahi Arabo, a senior lecturer in computer networks and mobile technology at the University of the West of England. He has received numerous accolades, including the most dedicated cyber professional development educator in the UK. This is an award from the AI 2020 Cybersecurity Award ceremony, and he has been inducted into the University of the West of England Black Hole of Fame and the University of the West England NFT Awards have recognized him as well in 2022. He has successfully led the development of an MSc cybersecurity program that has been certified by the National Cybersecurity Center in the UK, and it has generated income of over 2 million British pounds per year. The title of Dr. Arabo's speech today is Navigating the Challenges and Cybersecurity Concerns of Computational Intelligence and Computational Simulation. One more great speaker is Dr. Geltoum Benidab, Associate Professor at the Faculty of Sciences and Technology at the University of Frere Mentori Constantine. His research covers aspects of cybersecurity related to trust and identity management, biometric authentication, intrusion prevention, detection and response, insider threats detection, distributed denial of service attacks, and many, many other relevant topics. And last but not least, we're also very happy to welcome Dr. Mustafa Istanbulu, an assistant professor and vice chair of the undergraduate program in biomedical engineering at Çukurova University, where he has been working since 2021. His research interests include microelectronics, microfabrication of semiconductor devices, modeling of electronic devices, analog and digital circuit design, and biomedical instrumentation. He has published articles in international scientific journals and has received an international patent in 2021 for his invention of an ANN-based single calibration impedance measurement system for skin impedance range. The title of Dr. Istanbuli's speech today is Extracting the Electrical Equivalent of a CNT FET-based active biopotential electrode. At this point, I'd like to take a moment and once again thank all of the excellent speakers that we have here with us today, and I'd also like to express our profound gratitude for all of the participants who are joining the conference today and who are really the people that make all of this possible. It's with great delight that I'd like to tell you that the papers submitted to the conference passed a rigorous review process, and those ones which we will hear about today are truly of outstanding quality. So all of the papers that have been accepted at this conference will be published in the Journal of Physics Conference Series by IOP Publishing and in Theoretical and Natural Science. I'd like to congratulate all of the authors and to thank all of them once again. We hope that this event will provide all of you an excellent opportunity to learn from each other and to develop professionally as well. The interest in the conference has served as a real testament that it is indeed a timely moment to hold this event. We look forward to having its next edition in 2024 and for many more years to come as well. We wish you the very best, and please enjoy the conference.